Hey, every follow Mama Sue, he sleep out there in the kitchen, Jesus Christ. Boy, really keep me fine. Man. Yes, peeps, while I'm versatile, you don't know Mama Sue style. And you don't know it kind of late right now, but we're there in our backyard, I go and burn a fire, Yeah, man, Mama Sue, I do a little quick thing.
Yes, peeps.
What?
This I wanna go
Shrimp
wild and versatile.
and chicken.
Right, this, yes, I'm gonna put
Pineapples.
these on the pineapple with cinnamon and sugar.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, man, that you call wild and versatile.
Yes.
You don't know. We love Jamaica when they sell out, Yard style.
I wanna keep the fire blazing.
Fire blazing as usual.
As usual.
Mama Sue style.
Wild and versatile.
Wild and versatile. Yeah.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast, man. Peace. Remember we telling you we no cook inside again, Out of door, I tell us, say, yo, food sweet, food nice. Yeah, man. The real authentic way. Back to the roots.
Yes, please, we just.
Yeah. Kind of windy now, so.
We just coat the pineapple with little sugar and little cinnamon. This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama Sue style,
Wild, versatile, Mama Sue.
See, say you go put some beer on it too. Give it that nice flavor,
Wild, versatile.
Oh, you say you coat that with cinnamon and sugar?
Yes.
Wow.
I wanna go wicked and wild and versatile.
Yeah, man.
Peach. It's good. Cinnamon.
That go down? Yeah, man. You don't know. It's a beautiful night tonight. No rain. The wind not too strong. It's just beautiful. Mama Sue back off some more fire there. Yeah. How you don't call this now? Roast shrimp or grill? Grill.
No.
Grill. Fire roast.
Fire roast, shrimp and
Chicken wing. And roast pineapple.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah. Roast pineapple. This is a Mama Sue special. Wicked and wild and versatile. Yes, peeps. So we're going to put some beer on it now. Make the chicken them moist and the shrimp. And we have roast pineapple on the grill. Same way. Yeah, see that? Beautiful. 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 Yeah. Beautiful.
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 Beautiful. Hey, give it a nice flavor.
Beautiful. You have to go rub back like a season on the thing. Mama,
Yes.
more sharp me and I rub some season on it. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah.
You know what?
Wait.
You just don't want it to it. Yeah, just put some. Yes.
Yeah.
Complete season.
Yeah.
Good.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, mix them up together.
You like chicken on grill or you like shrimp on grill?
Shrimp on grill.
You like shrimp on grill?
Yeah. I like the spicy ones too.
Yeah. You
I
like,
like spicy stuff.
there you go. You like spicy stuff on grill. We give you spicy stuff on grill.
Thank you.
What about it's your first time you're gonna have roast pineapples.
Roast pineapple?
Yes, man. Roast pineapples.
Roast pineapple with.
I never tried roast pineapple before.
Okay, you're gonna try it with sugar and cinnamon. Okay.
Back off the fire, mama soup.
Mama, so keep
But I mean, I know where I forgot cut out this.
blazing.
I'm gonna cut out this mama soup, keep the fire. No, that's alright. Mama, so we keeping the fire too blazing now, my friend. Rub some more
Some more cinnamon and sugar on the pineapple.
yes.
Yes, please.
Roast pineapple with roast shrimp and roast chicken wing or grill, whatever you want to call it. Mama, so you put too much fire on that and eat.
Hey,
That's some good fire stick them, you know.
I'm telling you.
And just the cold, mostly cold
Yes,
one.
I call it one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the guy. Second turn. I see. Yes. Getting there. You have to turn.
Turn and turn.
Turn and turn, peeps.
You can't even put in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, it's come up back again.
Yeah, you have to just back out the thing there.
Keep racing up.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Okay.
So far, so good, peeps. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, peeps. I could show Mama so I go away, yes or no? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
Mama so looking good.
The shrimp them ready.
Mm-hmm.
And the pineapple.
Roast pineapple.
Roast pineapple with cinnamon and
Sugar.
sugar. This is some barbecue sauce with ketchup.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Looking good, looking good. Yeah, rub some of the barbecue sauce on the shrimp too.
Yes, I can do that. Yes, please. Yum, yum. Good. Right about.
Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing. Peeps, it kind of late up. Well, not really late still, Kawa. About God damn. To 10. Babes. No man, we can't name this a food. We have to go cover it up and eat it in the morning because too late, man. Hey, if you follow Mama Sue, you know, he sleep out there in the kitchen, you know. Jesus Christ. Boy, really keep me fine. Man. The papito peeps. See the star, the papito misty. Papito fast asleep. Man, sleep left with grilled chicken and the shrimp.
Yeah. You can't stop here one go to me. And he's right there.
Exactly.
Why peace, Mama Sue love love the kitchen, you know. Jesus, King Mama Sue love the kitchen.
Oh, it's there, you know, peeps.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Soak some more.
mm-hmm.
I make you go and soak now. Maybe you need to rise up some fire and night.
No, nice, you know.
I want to taste it. Shane,
Oh my God. Mm-mm.
what do you do
Mm-mm.
Lift me some.
Damn, bro. You want to soak some more, yo?
Yeah, man, you want to soak more.
Mm-mm.
What is nice?
Nice, huh?
Look here, I want to
Kelly, I'm not giving you any,
put
Kelly.
it down more.
Put it down more.
Yeah, take like, I don't know, lift it up and...
Yeah, man, just push on the fire.
Yeah, man. Just put fire on it, Mama. So make it thing. Yeah. No, but
Just make it go.
the fire blazing now. Back up the fire, Mama. So cause the fire blazing.
Too far for burning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spice, right amount of spice in the Mama. So not too tea. Right,
I'm
nice.
ready to eat it right now, even though it's not finished.
Where's the mistake? Right amount of spice.
Please, I'm ready to eat this right now.
In a real life.
More. More.
Just give it time, man. We're good.
Oh, sorry, Kelly. Which way it went?
Oh gosh. And Kelly they are weird for the bone, you know. Glass eye Kelly. Kelly. Oh gosh. Peeps, I Kelly this, you know, Kelly always Kelly always a security pat them in a friend. Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing. Yeah.
Peeps.
See it there? Wild and versatile.
Your
Mama
boat,
Sue style.
your ship dock.
Blaze.
Easy.
Alright, Mama Sue, I could see what going on.
Your ship dock. Lovely peeps, lovely shrimp, lovely.
Let me try one of them there. Bling. But wait, Mama.
Just go like this, you have to.
People are joke where I make, Mom. Wow. Nice.
Hey.
Bling.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Cherry, where you coming from, Cherry?
Yeah, peeps. Nice as usual. I got blaze mine right now. I couldn't know. See the peeps? Nice. I like the little glaze to the back. Nice. Look. Beautiful.
This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama Sue style. What it is?
Jesus.
Hmm?
My soul has taken out to my body.
Misty, talk to me, no, man.
Just goes, man.
You say right.
Nice man, season set nice.
Mama so.
Tastes delicious.
Roast pineapple.
Yum, yum.
Roast pineapple peeps. Grilled shrimp, grilled chicken.
I don't know.
Simple. So we do it. Oh Lord. Yeah.
Oh,
Really, thank you.
oh, get on it here.
So people, bless upon yourself. Until them time, they again. You don't know. Peace, love, unity, joy, happiness. All of the above. All of the above, you know. Love, you know. Thanks for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the share. Thank you for everything, you know.
Respect to every aspect.
We're doing this because of you guys. Thanks for the motivation and the encouragement and everything, you know. Bless up. As Mama would say, respect to every aspect. Yeah. While I'm versatile. Mama so style. Alright, you kind of late, you know, so I want to hold it down because I don't want to get excited more while. Mama so keep the fire blazing. Blessings.